So today I'll be making a cheese and bacon wors, which I bought at the Connor Foods Bloemfontein for $49.99 for 420 gram. So I'll tell you what it tastes like later. So this is a bacon and cheese wors sausage that I'll be making today. So this is what the finished product looks like. I can tell you it smelled absolutely bloody delicious. So it's all in the taste, as I always say. So let's taste what it tastes like. Not quite what I expected. Actually, it smells better than it tastes. But the taste is also very nice. You can taste the bacon and also the cheese as well. I'll give this wors a 7.5 out of 10. Yes guys, until next time. Love you all.